How to fill SSC CGL 2024 form without any mistake. Filling out the SSC CGL, or Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level, form involves several steps. First, registration. Visit the official SSC website, which is ssc.gov.in, during the registration period. Click on the link for the SSC CGL application form. Register yourself by providing basic details such as your name, date of birth, email ID, and mobile number. You will receive a registration ID and password on your email and mobile. Second, filling the application form. Use the registration ID and password to log into the portal. Fill in your personal details, educational qualifications, and other required information. Carefully fill in your preference for exam centers, as this cannot be changed later. Review the entered information before proceeding to the next step. Third, uploading documents. Upload scanned copies of your photograph and signature as per the specified dimensions and formats. Ensure that the documents are clear and meet the required specifications mentioned in the instructions. 4. Fee payment. Pay the application fee online through net banking, credit or debit card, or via SBI Challan if applicable. The fee structure will be mentioned in the official notification for the SSC CGL exam. 5. Submit application. After completing all the above steps, submit your application form. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email and SMS on your registered email ID and mobile number. 6. Print application form. After successful submission, download and print a copy of your application form for your records. This may be needed during subsequent stages of the selection process. 7. Application status. Keep checking the SSC website for updates on your application status. Any discrepancies or issues with the application can usually be rectified within a specified period by contacting the SSC authorities. 8. Admit card. Once your application is accepted, download your admit card from the SSC website within the notified dates. Make sure to read the official SSC CGL notification thoroughly before starting the application process to understand all the eligibility criteria, important dates, and instructions.